Hello and welcome. This is the TMFX weekly wrap-up session for April 30th, 2010. So welcome back everyone. Let's jump right into the presentation here and see what happened this week. Alright, intraday side of things, we got 15 calls made in the team trade room. 15 winners! That's for the second week in a row, folks. This time, potentially, the maximum number of pips you could have banked on for that is 213, giving you an 8.4% ROI. Trade with the power of 10. More on that later. On the swing side of the thing, also 15 calls, 9 wins, 6 losses, 612 pips called. That's for 13% return on investment in a week. There we go. Let's get into the intraday here. And alright, 213 pips, 8.4% on 15 calls. No losses. Good job, Wally. And here's the particulars. The details on here. On a Monday, we only called one trade, 9 pips. A few more trades got called in the week. And, this is the number of pips this trade went. So you could have gotten pips on here. If you're looking for 10 pips, you take 10 pips, you're out. Obviously, I doubt any of our traders got the full 28 pips because it was our first trade of that day. They probably all banked 10 pips, then opened another account. Well, that's another story, but potentially 213 pips were called indeed, and you can see the hidden pips here. Only one trade gave you a little bit of sweats. That's about it. So good job, Wally. Here's his trade of the week. Last trade he called all week, and basically around 10:10 on Friday, Wally decided that a buy-sell entry at 32.83 would be the one. Had to wait a little bit, about 45-50 minutes. It came through as he was closing the room, and in about less than 10 minutes, this had gone in wick 30 pips. Quickly, we're targeting 20 pip originally. So, how many pips did you get? Well, you could have gotten 10, you could have gotten 20, you could have gotten 30 easy as well. This was a straight to victory. So, this is the type of trades we call trade of the week. That's a nice one. Thanks, Wally. And the power of 10, what does that mean? Well, 10 pips per day keeps the doctor away. You grab your 10 pips, you close your account, you're done for the day. And this is starting with a $2,000 balance at the beginning of the year, 10 pips every trading day with the TMFX Money Management. This is where you're at today. So on a Monday, we only called one trade for 9 pips. So there you go. Then the next day, yes, we easily got our 10 pips, and with that, we went from 64.87 to 70.33 in the same week. That's 8.4% increase. Now let's go to the swing side of things. Swing side of things, we made 612 pips, 13% ROI. We got a 0.8% brought in from a trade that we carried over from last week. Forgot to add the pips. You could add another 43 pips to this 612 because these pips really occurred this week, and we didn't show them to you last week. So there we go. 9 wins, 6 losses, 612. And 13% ROI. Here are the particulars. Our bottle sell high system up there, and the great lifestyle system over here gave us these numbers, and that was a great week. Let's go take a look at our trade of the week. It was on the euro over here. So once it got the 38%, well, we didn't want to sell right there. But as our indicator turned, once this second red candle here finished forming, we were all sell bias. We wanted to sell, and we did. We did manage to sell at the very top of this wick. I think this trade went a whole big pip against us. That was the heat. And then it proceeded to go. It kept on going. 132, we started pulling some, 132 started pulling some lots. Had this blue uncertain candle. We pulled more stop losses right nice and tight, and we got taken out a little bit below 32 again. And the final lots, they did get taken out just above that weekly pivot here. and that's a 3-to-1 trade for us this week. We could see we got in right here, followed it, got out here, and then got out here on that big blue candle here. We're hoping for continuation and getting some new lows, but it never happened. So that's our trade of the week here, right there. So that's a 3-to-1 right there. As far as money is concerned, what does this all mean? All these pips, these ROIs? Well, let's introduce Tommy, Smiley Tommy Trader. Here, he trades 2 accounts starting this year, intraday trading account, swing trading account. So he funded each of them with $2,000 in each. On the intraday account, Tommy goes for the power of 10 net pips per day, so that allows them to trade 1 to 2 hours a day. He joins Wally in the room, grabs his 10 pips, gets out of there, and then just keeps on trading the swing account with all the potential swing setups that have their own timing that are very easy to catch as well. So here's where's Tommy at. Tommy's at 70.33 here on the intraday, and the swings at 76.42. 545 and 879 respectively, the profits. So for a total of $1,424 this week. Woo, Tommy, you rock. Here we go, and this is so far this year over $10,600 banked in between the 2 accounts. So talk about the lifestyle there. Trading a lifestyle system on the swing side of the thing and trading a couple of hours a day for intraday. That's all Tommy does, and that's why he's smiling like that. So again, particulars: 15 trades on either side, no loss on the intraday, 6 losses on the swing, about 3 times the pip profit on the swing side of things. And the difference between the 8.4 and the 13%, intraday uses a money management risk rule of 5% per trade. On the swing side of things, we risk only 1% per trade. So if we were going to go 5% per trade, you could multiply these numbers by 5, and especially this one there, and you'll compare apples with apples. But this is really good the way it is. You can afford to risk 5% when you got no losers. You can't really afford to risk 5% when you may have 6 straight losses in a row. Well, that would draw your account down a little bit. So that's how we do things. Anyways, more on that once you take the program. Give a man a fish, he eats for a day, but teach him how to fish, he will eat for a lifetime, just like Tommy here. So allow us to be your Forex fishing guides. Please let us fish together and help you become and supplement your current income. Starting at www.teachmeforex.com, please pay us a visit, or check it out on Twitter, www.twitter.com/teachmeforex. We post our daily results there. And more info at teachmeforex.com is where you can reach us. And please help us fulfill our vision. Become part of the largest team of successful online currency traders in the world. One trader at a time, we'll add to it, and we hope you're next. And from the whole team at Teach Me Forex, have yourself a great weekend.